In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scroll blocks in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. This feature adds a dynamic touch to your website, capturing your visitors' attention with engaging, smooth transitions. Let's dive right in. To start, let's log into your Squarespace account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as you'll be directed to your website's management dashboard once you've successfully logged in. Once you're there, look for the website option in the main menu. Clicking this will navigate you to the area where all your site configurations are housed. Next, locate the Pages option. This is where you manage all the individual pages of your website. Choose the specific page where you want to add scrolling blocks. After selecting your page, you'll find an Edit button. Click it to enable editing for the selected page. Now on your page, hover over the existing sections until a plus icon appears. This icon helps you access the block menu where the magic truly begins. Click the plus and you're presented with a library of block options. Your ultimate goal here is to find and select the scrolling block. Don't hesitate to browse around if you're new to these components, as this will enrich your overall familiarity with what Squarespace offers. Once you've added the scrolling block to your page, you'll need to open its editor. Simply double click on the new scrolling block. Yes, this action will open up various editing options. Your first stop in the editor is the Content tab. Here you can enter your desired text in the main field. If you have various text items to display, feel free to add multiple entries. You can even reorder them to your liking by dragging them up or down in the list. This feature is exceptionally helpful for storytelling or emphasizing specific points dynamically. If you wish to make any of your text clickable, you can easily insert a web address in the designated link field. This allows visitors to navigate seamlessly to different parts of your website or even external resources, providing a richer user experience. Next, head over to the Design tab in the block editor. This is where you can really customize how the scrolling effect looks and feels. Adjust the wave intensity and choose the scroll direction and speed to suit your design ethos. You can also tweak the background color, decide whether the scroll pauses on hovering, and apply fade effects to the edges to create a polished, visually appealing scrolling block. Once you're satisfied with all your settings and adjustments, don't forget to click Save. This step commits all your changes and ensures that the scrolling block appears just as you intended. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added a scrolling block to your Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine website. This tool not only enhances the aesthetic quality of your site, but also engages users with interactive and eye-catching features. Happy designing!